This is a Canon wide-angle lens, 16 to 35, 2.8L. This is the second version. I managed to buy it off someone for around $600 US. It came defective. A UV filter was stuck on it, and it was a real hassle to get it off. But in the end, things turned out pretty good. So I believe I made a little bit of money from this. Well, not realized. That'll happen when I eventually sell this lens, probably. Yeah. So how did I remove the lens filter that was stuck on there? I bought a wire cutter. This isn't a wire cutter, it's a metal cutter. Rounded tip. So I won't accidentally poke something or someone. And I bought a hacksaw, a small hacksaw for it. These things, I believe, were less than $20 US. So let's take a look. At first, I went on the internet. And I came across something that told you to kind of try to bend this metal ring, this metal bracket for the UV filter. I took a drill right into the glass of the filter and I broke it, yeah, but the only problem was I couldn't bend this metal. So that was a no-go. So after buying those two, the hacksaw and the metal cutter, I managed to cut these two grooves right here. You have to be really careful. This, oh, by the way, this is a B&W UV filter. These things are really sturdy, and for some reason it was stuck on there really good. Okay, so after doing that, I took the lens, so it was stuck like this, just stuck like that. Come on, focus. Alright, so it was stuck like this, and I went to a metal window and I stuck these grooves on there like so, and so I turned this thing just like that. I held onto this part so that I wouldn't break any mechanism in the lens itself. So I got in there really good, held it, and then I turned. So like that, it came off. You have to really get in there. Like, it takes a lot of force. But yeah, I managed to get it off. Saved a bit of money. Otherwise, I'd be paying upwards of $800-900 for this lens. And I managed to not damage anything. I guess it's a little bit dusty right now, but I can clean this off easily. The internals are really clean for the most part. Oh, by the way, I did put some oil on these grooves. At least I tried to, and that didn't help at all. So I think the best way is to just cut some dents right onto this, and then find something to turn it with, like like this part or something. Anything in the household that's long, sturdy, real sturdy, and then you just turn and make sure not to damage the lens itself. Okay.